This is a question from Engineering Mechanics for 1 mark. An attempt is made to pull a roller of weight W over a curb step by applying a horizontal force F as shown in the figure. Okay, so basically this is a roller of weight W and it is subjected to a horizontal force F such that this roller tends to move over the step. Okay. The coefficient of static friction between the roller and the ground, including the edge of the step, is mu. Identify the correct free body diagram of the roller when the roller is just about to climb over the step. So basically that is a configuration given and those are the 4 options. We need to calculate or we need to find out what is the free body diagram of the roller when it is subjected to a horizontal force F when the roller is just about to climb over the step. Okay, so according to the official key, the answer to this question is option B. Alright, let's move on to find out the detailed solution for this question. So let us consider the roller and let us consider point P, which is the point of contact of the roller and the bottom surface. Let us consider point Q, which is the point of contact of the roller and the edge of the step. And let us consider point R, from where the horizontal force F is applied. It is also given in the question that the roller makes an angle theta between the vertical and the line joining the center of the roller and the edge of the step. Okay, so basically here we need to understand that whenever the roller is just about to get over the step, the contact loses at point P. Because this has been pulled up, so the roller tries to lift over the step, so the point contact is lost at point P. Okay, at that particular instant, since the roller is not in the rolling condition, friction force is absent in this case. Okay, now let us see what are the different forces which will appear in the free body diagram. Okay, the first force is weight of the roller W, which will act at from the point R vertically downwards. The second one will be the applied force as usual, which is in the same direction as shown in the figure above from the point R, and also there will be a reaction developed along the line joining the center of the roller and the edge of the step at point Q in the direction of the line joining. Okay, so when we consider all these three forces, the free body diagram for this particular configuration will be this. W is the weight of the roller acting vertically downwards, F is the applied horizontal force, and R is the reaction offered by the edge of the step along the line joining the center of the roller and the edge of the step.